Okay, YouTube, this is going to be a quick video on common greetings and expressions. Again, continued. It's going to be really quick because at this point, if you've watched the rest of my other videos, you probably can already gain the gist of how grammatically these things are structured and formed. So without further ado, I'm just going to go down and I'm just going to explain things as I go down, okay? So the first one we have is kumusta, right? In Cebuano, kumusta means hello, or it can also mean how are you? Kumusta, right? Kumusta. A common response would be maayo, right? Oh, maayo lang, or maayo man, or maayo ra, maayo good. You can keep tacking on these enclitic particles that you learned, right? But watch out when you attach an enclitic particle, because you should probably know what the enclitic particle means. Like, for example, if I say maayo lang, oh, I'm only good, or maayo good, which means I'm even good, you know. Kumusta? Oh, maayo good. I'm even good. I'm even good to do something. I'm even good to go, right? So these enclitic particles can change the meaning slightly, but it still holds that true meaning of I'm good, right? So kumusta. Next one is asa ka mangadto, right? Or you can also say asa ka paingon, right? Asa ka paingon or asa ka mangadto. Where are you going? What's up? You know, where are you going? Where are you headed to? I think it's one of those leave-taking kind of expressions, right? But you will commonly hear that as well. Asa ka mangadto? Asa ka mangadto? You know, where are you going? Or how's it going? Asa ka paingon? The next one is salamat, right? And you should already know that salamat means thank you. But if I add in this word before it, daghang salamat, which means many thanks or thank you very much. Look, notice how daghan has that ng ending at the end, right? And you should know that that ng ending is that nga ligature, right? Daghan nga salamat. But since daghan can take this nga ligature, it just goes daghang salamat, right? A common response would be walay sapayan, right? Walay sapayan. Walay sapayan means you're welcome, and walay sapayan. Wala is one of those words that can take the irregular postfix e. Notice how there's that y there, that irregular postfix. Wala ang sapayan. But since wala can take that ang as an irregular postfix e, walay sapayan. The next one is sige, ato na ta, which means alright, let's go now. Or no, I mean me. Ko, it's right here, ko. So sige, ato na ko, which means alright, I'm gonna go now, right? If you change ko to ta, yes, alright, we'll go now. It's gonna be you and me, the first person plural, us, right? And then mga Diyos na ko means alright, I'm gonna say goodbye now, right? Mga Diyos. Look, adios comes from the Spanish word adios, meaning goodbye, right? So mga Diyos na ko, alright, I'm gonna say goodbye now. The next one is ayo ayo ra, which means alright, take care. Ayo ayo. So you can wave to someone when you're walking away and say alright, ayo ayo. So sige, ayo ayo. Alright, take care. Ayo ayo ra ka diha, okay? So just take care of you there, huh? Ayo ayo ra. Mga Diyos na ko, ayo ayo ra ang ha. Okay, this one's pretty common as well. Greetings throughout the day that you'll hear would be like maayong buntag, good morning, right? Maayong gabi, good night. Maayong hapon, good evening. Maayong udto, good high noon, like 12 o'clock sharp, which is noon. Udto, right? And maayong adlaw, good day. Maayong adlaw sa inyong tanan. Good day to all of you all, right? The last few ones would be kaon na ta. It's like, alright, let's eat. Or mangaon na ta. Okay, mang changes that ka, the kaon, to the incepting form of this verb, saying that, okay, I am gonna, or we will be in the process of eating very soon, right? Mangaon na ta or kaon na ta. Kaon na ta means just let's eat, right? But mangaon na ta means let's eat with the focus of we will be eating soon, alright? Like shortly. Unsa naman. It's like, oh man, what's up? Unsa naman. What's up? What's going on? Unsa naman. Why? What's going on? What's up? And asaka is where are you? Asaka. Oh, sige, asa ka na. Where are you now, right? So just little kind of common greetings and expressions, something to take a little break from what I was explaining. Hopefully this can help you out.